Hey, in this video, I want to discuss with you the truth about affiliate marketing and really how to succeed as an affiliate marketer here in 2018 and beyond. So let's cue the intro and get into it. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if that sounds cool to you, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of future content that I release. So I'd really like to discuss with you what is the one secret to succeed with affiliate marketing. And to do this, I'd really like to take a look at why it is that so many people fail to build a business online. You see, the real key, the real reason that most people fail, it doesn't have anything to do with, the tactics and the strategies and different things like that. It doesn't have to do with resources, right? Most people think that failure is due to a lack of resources, that you fail because you don't have enough money or enough time or enough energy or enough knowledge or enough experience. You fail because of a lack of resources. But the truth is that in order to succeed online with an online business, such as affiliate marketing or really any type of online business, it's really not about your resources, it's about your resourcefulness. If you are resourceful, then you can take any problem that comes your way and you can figure out a way to get through and solve that problem. If you don't feel like you have enough time, where can you find more time? You can be resourceful in deciding how to manage your time in order to do the things that you need to do in order to see success. If you feel like you can't succeed because you don't have enough money, it doesn't really take a whole lot of money and investment to succeed with affiliate marketing, at least not to get started. I do believe that you need to invest in yourself, in your education, in the tools and systems that you can use to help grow your business, right? Investing is a big part of how you grow a business. But to get started, you don't need to invest a whole lot at the beginning if you don't have that resource. So how do you find ways to figure out how to get started with low cost? For example, one way that you can get started without investment is to start uploading videos onto YouTube. Start a YouTube channel, upload videos, build an audience, and then go from there. And from that audience, there's multiple different ways that you can monetize an audience. One of the examples being affiliate marketing. So from your YouTube videos, you can just link out directly to affiliate links and get some sales. And then from there, once you start getting those sales, then you can invest in some things that'll help you get better results. For example, growing an email list. It's definitely 100% essential to build an email list if you want to succeed online. But if you don't have the money to invest in email marketing at the beginning, which is very low cost. I mean, it's like, $30 a month to invest into an email marketing system software. So it's a very low cost. But if you can't even afford that for some reason, then you can just direct link over to affiliate offers. Now, of course, if you can invest in building an email list, I definitely recommend you do it right from the beginning. It's definitely, you're going to get much better results when you do that. And that's just one example of how to be resourceful in your own business, right? So the secret, here's the secret, and here's the reason most people fail. Most people fail not because of a lack of resources. Most people fail because of their mindset. Most people fail because of their mindset. It's because of how we see, failure. We take failure and we internalize it to make it say that when I failed, that makes me a failure. We take failure like, for example, you fail to hit a goal that you set for yourself. So I've recently read something which said something along these lines. When you set a goal for yourself, you either meet that goal or you learn the lesson that you need. So it's not that you failed, it's just that you learned a lesson that you need in order to grow to see if you can get better results next time. But most people fail because we see failure as a real thing, right? We see failure as something real and something that we internalize, and we make it about us that now I'm a failure because I failed to hit some goal that I set. Now I feel like a failure, and then I'm going to quit, I'm going to give up, and I'm going to, just go back to life as usual. And then maybe a few months later, I get the bug again and I want to start a business again. And then so I start researching and learning about it and studying. And so it's that fear of failure that really holds people back. Most people never even get started because of the fear of failure. There's this thing in your head. You're like, I'm so afraid that I don't have all the information. I don't have all the knowledge. I don't have everything that I need in order to succeed. And so this fear of failure, you don't even get started. Right? You just take all this time to research and study and look for the next shiny object, the next tactic, the next strategy, the next big thing, right? You keep looking for that next big thing that's going to make it easy and quick. But there's nothing out there that's really going to make it easy and quick. The truth is that in order to succeed, you can't reach the destination unless you go through the journey. The journey is about learning and growing and failing your way forward. Fail your way forward, going through these experiments, trying things out, testing things out, taking chances, and then learning from the times that you don't succeed. Learning from the times that you don't hit the goal that you wanted to hit. Learning what doesn't work and then what does work. And as you keep doing that, as you keep pushing forward, as you keep reaching for your goals, and you don't give up and you keep trying, then over time, as you go through that journey, then you're going to start to get better at what you're doing. You're going to learn the lessons you need to learn, and you're going to improve, and then you're going to start getting the results. There's really no way to get the results without going through failure first. You have to go through failure first. It's a part of the journey. It's a part of the process. You have to do it. You can't learn everything you need to learn from studying. Yes, there's important things to learn. There's important things to study. You got to learn sales. You got to learn marketing. You got to learn persuasion. You got to learn traffic and things like that, right? You've got to learn some things. But where so many people fail is that they don't take action on the things they learn because of that fear of failure. And here's the next reason why this fear of failure, this mindset holds people back, is that once you do get started, if you run into those challenges and those obstacles and those problems, again, you internalize it and you say, I'm a failure, this isn't working, I can't do this, I'm not good enough, I don't have what it takes, and then you give up and you stop, right? And so again, it's because in your mindset, you don't have a good understanding of that failure isn't really failure, it's just a learning opportunity. Is this making any sense? Go ahead and leave a comment below if you have any questions so far. So let's come to it here then. So what is the secret, the one secret to succeed with affiliate marketing? What is that one truth about affiliate marketing that's going to help you hit that success? So here's the secret. There is no secret. There's no secret tactic. There's no secret method, no secret traffic strategy, no secret ad, no secret funnel, no secret anything that will help you to succeed. The secret is you, and it's in your mindset, and it's in developing your mindset and getting your mindset to a place where you're able to start taking action. And then when failure comes your way, when challenges come your way, when you struggle with something, when something doesn't work the way you want, to not see it as failure, but then to see it as an opportunity to learn and grow, and then to keep pushing through that obstacle and keep doing this until you get the result that you desire. If you keep doing this, then you are going to build that affiliate marketing business that will give you those life-changing results, such as you'll be able to quit your job, pay off debt, build up an emergency fund. You'll be able to have more time for your family and for the things that you love. That comes as a result of doing the work, of going through the journey, of facing that failure head on and being okay with it, being okay with failing because you know that it's an opportunity to get better. And that's the secret. That is the secret to success. It's you. It's your mindset, and it's the ability to keep going when things get tough and keep pushing through and not giving up. So hopefully I've been able to inspire you today. If you like this kind of content, go ahead, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.